How to fix Clash of Clans account deletion warning. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are seeing a warning that your Clash of Clans account might be deleted, don't panic. In today's video, I'll show you how to secure your account and avoid losing your progress. So let's jump right into it. The best way to prevent account deletion is by linking your account to a Supercell ID. Here's how you can do. Open Clash of Clans and go to settings. Tap on Supercell ID and follow the steps to link your account. This will save your progress and protect your account across devices. Having a Supercell ID makes it easier to recover your account if anything goes wrong. Next, check for account activity. If you are inactive for too long, you may receive a deletion warning. Logging into your account regularly shows Supercell that you are active. Simply log in and play a quick session. Doing this periodically will help you avoid any inactivity warnings. Next, if you still see a deletion warning after following these steps, contact Supercell support for help. Go to settings in Clash of Clans, tap help and support and look for the options to contact their team. Explain the situation and ask them to check your account status. Supercell support can give you specific details and help remove any issues with your account. And that's it. Following these steps should help you prevent your account deletion warning and keep your Clash of Clans account safe. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Clash tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.